Have you ever wondered if RingCentral is just another app on your phone? Or is it something more? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine a world where your phone is more than just a device for calls and texts. A world where it's your personal communication hub, connecting you to your team, clients, and loved ones in ways you never thought possible. That's the promise of RingCentral. What is RingCentral? A unified communications platform, UCP. It's not just an app, but a comprehensive platform that brings together various communication tools into one seamless experience. Key features: phone system, make and receive calls, manage your voicemail and set up call forwarding, messaging, send and receive text and multimedia messages, collaborate with teams and share files, video conferencing, host and join video meetings, share screens and record sessions, team messaging, create chat rooms, assign tasks, and collaborate with colleagues in real time. Why choose RingCentral? Flexibility. Use RingCentral on your desktop, smartphone, or tablet, ensuring you're always connected. Scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, RingCentral can grow with your needs. Integration. Connect RingCentral with your favorite apps like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Salesforce. Reliability. Enjoy high-quality audio and video, along with robust security features. How does RingCentral work? Cloud-based. RingCentral is hosted in the cloud, eliminating the need for on-premises hardware and maintenance. Easy setup. Get started quickly with a few simple steps and minimal technical knowledge. User-friendly interface. Navigate the platform effortlessly with its intuitive design. RingCentral versus traditional phone systems. Cost-effective. Save money on hardware, maintenance, and long-distance calls. Mobility. Stay connected from anywhere with a stable internet connection. Advanced features. Access features like call recording, call analytics, and auto attendance. Real-world examples. Customer service. Improve customer satisfaction with features like call routing, IVR, and live chat. Remote work. Collaborate effectively with distributed teams using video conferencing and team messaging. Sales. Increase productivity with tools like call recording, call scripts, and CRM integration. Common questions. Is RingCentral expensive? RingCentral offers flexible pricing plans to suit different budgets. Is RingCentral secure? Yes, RingCentral employs advanced security measures to protect your data. Can I use RingCentral with my existing phone number? Absolutely. You can port your existing number to RingCentral. So, is RingCentral an app? While it does have a mobile app, it's much more than that. It's a powerful platform that can transform the way you communicate and collaborate. Whether you're a small business owner, a remote worker, or a professional looking to streamline your workflow, RingCentral has something to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.